another thing. That means how to convert one unit to another unit. And one thing, everyone uh, read properly this table, conversation table. It is very easy. I told you can memorize like a some milli, centi, decimeter, deca, hecto, kilometer. Okay, no problem. One thing, when we convert upwards to downwards, that time we divide, and when we convert downwards to upwards, then we have to multiply. Multiply by which value? Between two units there is one zero. Zero, 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 zero. So if we convert meter to centimeter, that means 1 meter equal to how many centimeter? Centimeter. Okay. So meter to convert centimeter. So meter to centimeter. How many zeros are there? Two zeros. And we go upwards because meter to centimeter. So we go upward. So two zeros. That means one and two zeros. Multiplied or divide. Since we are going upwards, so multiply. So multiplied by 100. So 1 into 100, 100 meter, 100 centimeter. Okay. 5 meter equal to how many centimeter? So again we are going upwards. Meter to centimeter. That means 20. That means 100 multiplied by 100. So 5 meter equal to 5 into 100 meter. That means 500 meter. Okay. 500 meter. So in your book, total table not given. In your book only given when we convert meter to centimeter. We just we have seen 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter and 1 kilometer equal to, I use my hand, 1 kilometer equal to how many meter or meter to kilometer. These two types of conversation is there on convert is there, meter to centimeter and kilometer to meter, or centimeter to meter and meter to kilometer in your book given. So only these two we will discuss about. So kilometer to meter. So kilometer to meter, kilo, hectare, deca, meter. That means three gaps: kilo, hectare, deca, meter. Hectare, deca, meter. Hectometer, decameter, meter. Three gaps. So we have to divide or multiply by 1000. It is depend we go downwards or upwards. So kilometer to meter upwards, that means multiplied. So we have to multiply it by 1000. So 1 into 1000, that means 1000 meter. Okay. So to convert meter to centimeter, we have to multiply by we multiply by 100. Similarly, to convert centimeter to meter, centimeter to meter, we, so centimeter to meter, that means downward. How many gap? Centimeter, decimeter, meter, decimeter, meter. So two gaps. So we have to divide or multiply by 100, it is depend on we go downward or upwards. So centimeter to meter downwards, so we have to multiply, we have to divide by 100. Here given, if we go downward then divide by 100, if we go upward then multiply by 100. So when we convert centimeter to meter, we divide the centimeter by 100. Okay, similar, to convert kilometer to meter, we multiply by 1000, and to convert meter to kilometer, we divide by 1000. Okay, only these four things. And we convert only meter to centimeter or centimeter to meter, not given in this way. 1 decimeter equal to how many hectometer, this kind of question not given in your book. So don't worry, we only convert meter to centimeter, centimeter to meter, kilometer to meter, and meter to kilometer. Okay, I will explain it by giving one or two examples. Okay, what is the length of the video? 19 minutes, no problem. So first, meter to centimeter. For example number 1, one number example, 5 meter or 5, I give the bigger value, then also no problem. 15 meter equal to how many centimeter? Okay, so just now we see that millimeter, centimeter. Okay, no problem. So convert meter to centimeter, we have to multiply it by 100. Just here I written the words. Okay, you write the lines in your copy, then it's more easier. So meter to convert centimeter, we have to multiply it by 100. So only here we write the answer, and all calculation we shown in lower. So 15 meter equal to 15 multiplied by 100 centimeter. If we multiply it by 100, then it becomes centimeter. And no need to multiply it as usual. We know that when we multiply it by 100, 1000, 10, we put only the zeros at the last of the number. So 1500 centimeter. So what is the answer? 1500. Very easy. Meter to centimeter. Example 2, when meter and centimeter both given in the question. For example, 15 meter 19 centimeter equal to how many centimeter? So 19 centimeter is there. We have to know, we have to find out 15 meter equal to how many centimeter. This centimeter plus this centimeter equal to answer, total answer. That means required centimeter. Okay, so similar. So 15 meter 19 centimeter. So we convert first this 15 centimeter into meter and add with this. So 15 meter equal to 15 into 100 centimeter, and extra here 19 centimeter, so add 19 centimeter. Okay, so 15 into 100, 1500, 00 centimeter plus 19 centimeter. So no need to add as usual, last two digit 00 and two digit 19, so it's direct become 1519 centimeter. Okay, very easy. So what is the answer? 1519 centimeter. Okay, we can directly write 1915, but let it, we know uh, if we write directly then we get the answer, but as you are class 3, so it is better you convert as the process. Okay, when we habituated with the conversation, then we can write the answer directly. Okay, and one thing, in centimeter, when we convert directly, uh, 19 meter 5 centimeter equal to how many centimeter? So you keep in your mind one thing, or 119 centimeter a meter 5 centimeter. So total how many centimeter equal to how many centimeter? If we find out the value by process, then no problem. But if we write the answer directly, so how many centimeter? 1195 centimeter. No, your answer is wrong, because when you convert directly in centimeter place, there is two digit, or in centimeter there is always two digit number. So if we write 5 as 50, then your answer is wrong. So 5 can be written as 05. So 05. Okay, now remove the meter and centimeter. 11905 centimeter. Okay, so we can directly convert, but in lower class we are convert by using the process. Okay, very easy. Next, next, centimeter to meter. So centimeter to meter, we have to divide by 100. Okay, for example, 1. If at the last 00 is there, then there is no problem. For example, 18000 centimeter equal to how many meter? Okay, very easy. So 18000 centimeter, if we divide by 100, then it become meter. 000 divide by 100, then result become in meter. And in division chapter, we know that here 20, here 20 vanish. No need to divide as usual. 00 vanish. So 180 is the answer. So 180 meter. So if at the last two or more than 20, then there is no problem. It is very easy to convert into meter. Okay. Example 2. Example 2. Okay. 1629 centimeter equal to how many meter? How many centimeter? Because at the last there is no 00. So if we divide it by 100, then some remainder is there. Okay. Remainder comes in centimeter. Okay, remainder will come in centimeter. So in this case, we have to follow 1629 centimeter. Okay, so 1629. So we make it, or we write in expanded form in this way: 1600 centimeter plus 29. So 1629 centimeter equal to how many meter and how many centimeter? So 1629 can be written as 1600 plus 29. Okay. So now we convert this centimeter into meter. We can convert because it is more than 100, and we have to convert the centimeter only when the value is more than 100. Okay. divided 100 meter plus 29 meter centimeter. So it become 0 cut 16 meter plus 29 centimeter. That means 16 meter 29 centimeter. Okay, very easy. Or you can choose another process not written in the book, but you can follow this process also. And shortcut process, what is the shortcut process? We put the last two digit in centimeter and other digit in meter. So directly we can write 29 centimeter 16 meter. Another example, 11256 centimeter equal to how many meter, how many centimeter. Okay, so last two digit 56 centimeter and others value 10 centimeter. So 112 meter 56 centimeter. But as I told, in lower class no need to convert directly. Okay, when you are in class 4 you can convert directly, no problem. But if you convert directly meter and centimeter, then your concept and base may not be stronger. So it is better now we will solve by process. But we must know what is the short form, or what way we can write the directly answer. So I told here already. Oh, another thing, 29 how many meter and how many centimeter. Okay, so what is the rules? When we convert centimeter to meter, we have to divide it by 100. So 1629 divided by 100, 100 1 100, 6 2 no, oh, 3 digit. Yes, 6 to 9 came. So 6 629. Okay, when we divided the centimeter by 100, result came in meter, and these are the part of centimeter. It is centimeter, so it is centimeter. So in this way you can solve also. Divided by 100, then result is meter, 60 meter, and the remainder in centimeter. Okay, as your wish, in which way you solve the maths. Okay, next thing, only two things left for today's class. So next, kilometer to meter. This type of situation I missed your answer. If I am in the school, then I ask to student, if we convert kilometer to meter, then what can we do? An answer comes from you. But here no option. So kilometer to meter, we have to multiply it by 1000. So convert kilometer to meter, we have to multiply it by 1000. So example 1, 15 kilometer equal to how many meter? As usual, kilometer to meter, we have to multiply it by 1000. So if we multiply it by 1000, then the answer become in meter. So 15000 meter. Okay. So what is the answer? 15000 meter. Okay. Example 2, when meter and kilometer and meter both in the question. Example 2, 29 kilometer 252 meter equal to how many meter? Okay, so 29 kilometer 52 meter. Similar, first we convert the kilometer into meter and add with this meter. So 29 kilometer equal to how much meter? 29 into 1000 meter plus 52 meter. So 29000 plus 52 meter plus 52 meter. So if we add, what is the answer? So last two digit 52 meter. Okay. So what is the answer? 29052 meter. So answer is 29052. But if we directly write the answer without showing the process, then how to write 2952 meter? No. Here we have to multiply it by 1000. Here we multiplied by 1000. So three zeros. In this way you memorize this thing. So three zeros. That means three digit. See, three always digit sit in meter place. Okay, when you convert directly, otherwise you cannot convert directly. 2952, your answer is wrong. 2952, your answer is wrong. So when kilometer to meter, that means multiplied by 1000, three zeros, that means three digit always sit in the here. So 052 and 52 52 same. So first you make 052 because in meter place always three digit number is there. Okay, so what is the answer? Now your answer is correct, but as previous we solve by process. Okay, next last thing, last one. Last one, meter to kilometer. How to convert meter to kilometer? So meter to kilometer divided by 1000. Example 5 to 9 meter equal to how many kilometer? We have to divide it by 1000. So in question the value, if the value is more than 1000, then only we convert in kilometer. But here there is the value is less than 1000. So the question is wrong. So 2529. 2529 kilometer equal to how many meters? Okay. And similar. So 2529 meter. So we have to write the value in this way. Or we have to write the value in expanded form in 1000 plus 100 in this way. Okay. Okay. 1000 plus 100. That means we put at the last remainder. Oh, another thing. If we divide it by 1000, then what is the remainder? In division, we can directly tell the remainder is 259. Okay. In division chapter, we already learned if we divide it by 100 by 1000, then the remainder is last three digit number. So remainder is 259. So we write here 259 meter. Then here 2000. Okay, now it is not possible to convert kilometer, so it is answer come, oh here also meter, so this answer come in meter and we convert only this value. So 2000 divided 1000, if we divided by 1000 then it become kilometer plus 2529 meter, then 2 kilometer 529 meter. Okay, you can write here plus after that, but no need, you can skip one line. So 2 kilometer 529 meter. Example 2, 189,000 meter equal to how many kilometer? Since at the last three digit are 00, it is very easy. So 189 meter or 000 meter. So if we divide it by 100, then it become kilometer. 000 divided by 100. Oh, not 100, 1000. So 000 last three zero will cut. So 189 meter, 189 kilometer. So what is the answer? 189. Okay. Tata for now. If you have any kind of query, ask me by phone call or ask your subject teacher. Okay. So what is the your tax? The tax is page number 130. Quick assessment and self practice. First exercise, self practice maybe, I don't know. Okay, later I will when I am giving the video, that time I give the task. Tata.